What if I told you your tired, lifeless plants are just one simple mix away from coming back to life? It might sound unbelievable, but this gentle, natural boost can quietly wake them up again. Start by taking 1 spoon of oats and grind them into a fine powder. Oats are rich in natural nutrients that slowly release into the soil, helping roots regain strength and supporting steady, healthy growth. Now add 1 spoon of sugar. Sugar feeds the beneficial microbes in the soil, which improves nutrient absorption and brings life back to dull, inactive roots. Pour this mixture into 1 liter of water and stir well until everything blends smoothly. Let it sit for a few minutes so the nutrients can fully infuse into the water. Now gently pour this solution around the base of your plants. You can also lightly spray it on the soil surface. Use this once every 10 to 12 days. Over time, you'll notice stronger stems, fresher leaves, and a natural shine returning to your plants. Sometimes the simplest things in nature work the best. Try it and watch your plants slowly come alive again.